Understanding grinding gears, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, grinding gears. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding idioms like this can be both fun and challenging. So, let's dive into the world of English expressions together. Grinding gears is an idiom that originally comes from the world of machinery, particularly vehicles. When the gears in a car are not shifted smoothly, they can make a harsh grinding noise. This phrase has been adopted into everyday English to describe a situation or action that is causing annoyance or frustration. It's often used to talk about something that is not going smoothly or someone's actions that are irritating or upsetting others. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples of how grinding gears is used in everyday conversations. 1. In the workplace, John's constant negativity is really grinding gears in our team meetings. 2. In personal relationships, my brother's habit of interrupting me grinds my gears. 3. General frustration. It really grinds my gears when people don't follow basic etiquette in public spaces. These examples show how this phrase can be applied in various contexts to express frustration or annoyance. Here are some tips to use grinding gears correctly. It's often used in informal settings. The phrase can be modified to fit the subject, like, grinds my gears, or, is grinding their gears. It's typically used to express personal feelings of annoyance, rather than serious anger or upset. There are other idioms in English that convey similar feelings. Understanding these can enrich your language skills. Rubbing me the wrong way. This means something is causing irritation or annoyance. Getting on my nerves. Similar to grinding gears, it's used to express annoyance with someone or something. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, grinding gears. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to add color and expressiveness to your English. We hope this video has been helpful and made your English learning journey a bit more interesting. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.